Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Love Soul Connection podcast. Today we have with us a parenting coach, Anjuri, and what she does is she coaches teenagers as well as parents, and she bridges the gap between these families. So she specializes in improving some communication, building trust, creating like a harmonious home environment where she works both with the child as well as the parents. And so today we will talk about a few things which are going on currently, which are issues which parents are struggling with. And she will share her insights on how she manages things, how she helps parents and the teams. And I will share a little bit about how intimacy gets affected in the same equation and how that can be balanced. So let's welcome her.
Hello. Thank you so much, Meeta ji, for such a lovely, introduction. It means a lot. So I would like to say hello and thank you to all your viewers, all your listeners. Thank you so much for inviting me today. So let me start with my introduction. I am Manjuri Agarwal. I'm a mother of two boys, Ayansh Agarwal, who's 9 years old, and Advit Agarwal, who's 3.5 years old. सो मेरी जो पेरेंटिंग जर्नी है ना वो यहीं से और इन बच्चों से इंस्पायर होके ही स्टार्ट हुई थी पहले
Hmm.
I'm an MBA in finance and marketing and I was literally doing those things and शादी हो गई शादी के बाद भी I was doing the same thing but there was a part there was when I just started growing in my relationship and when I had my children that time I was like oh I don't know how to raise children and
Hmm.
that time I completed my certification in parenting. Then I went for my child psychology. I'm specialized in child psychology and family relationships. So I counsel
Great.
children. I talk to the families also. Yes.
Hmm. That's interesting. So, what inspired you to become a parenting coach? I think you've answered the question like your boys, when the boys came, you were trying to figure out how to be a parent. But is there anything
Yeah.
else behind it?
So Peter ji, when I got married, I was quite puzzled. And you don't get a book or any manual for getting married. And I got married, and
Hmm.
then there was of having children. When we got children, actually reality आपके सामने आ जाती है, क्योंकि आप ना
True.
उस कर लेते हो कि नहीं सब कर रहे हैं तो हम भी let's have children. But when
Hmm.
I delivered my child and my elder one Ayansh, जब 6 साल 6 साढ़े 6 साल का हुआ तब लगा कि पुराने तरीके नहीं चल सकते.
Hmm. Hmm. Right.
मैं जो कर रही हूँ पेरेंटिंग जिस तरह से मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड वो नहीं सही जा रही है एंड वी वर लाइक नो नाउ वी हैव टू टेक अ स्टेप अहेड. हम लोगों ने एक्सेप्टेंस ली कि यस वी कैन लर्न दिस
Right.
एंड this is what inspired me and today I am after like I've been practicing for 3 years now. Yeah.
That's nice. So,
Yeah.
in the 3 years, what has been like the biggest challenge that you feel that parents are facing today?
Parents have this myth कि हमें ना बच्चों को बहुत टाइम देना है because
Hmm.
more or less everyone is working. सब सबको everyone is rushing to the office in the morning, coming back at night, tired, exhausted, and they say हम ना बच्चों को टाइम नहीं देते, तो इसलिए हमारे बच्चे बिगड़ रहे हैं, इसीलिए
Hmm.
हमारे बच्चे गलत चीजों में जा रहे हैं, गलत संगतों में जा रहे हैं, and you know these are the issues we are facing. But the
Right.
reality is you just need 15 minutes with your child every day. और
Hmm.
हम ना
Hmm.
उस भागते भागते और वो पुराने तरीकों को ही अभी तक चला रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से ना और प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो रही है और हम
Hmm.
लोग उसको एक्चुअली एक्सेप्टेंस एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो एक्सेप्टेंस
Hmm.
इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. या
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So, let's start with a question related to
यस.
technology, which is the
या
most common thing today in all our lives, right? So, how do you think this screen time, which kids are spending playing games, watching something on the mobile, parents tend to just give it to them in their hands कि खाना खाते समय भी they are looking at the mobile. So how do you think this screen time affects the kids emotional and mental well-being, and what practical tips can you share for parents who are struggling to set these screen time boundaries? Because once they give it to the child, and sometimes it's difficult to control or take it back from the child. The child insists that I still want to keep watching it, I still want to play on it. So then how do parents try to manage that?
So for this question, I'll start with that in a recent study with Harvard's,
Hmm.
screen is equal to cocaine. When a
Wow.
child or a human being start कंज्यूमिंग कोकेन, जो जिस तरह से उनके माइंड के ऊपर और उनके ब्रेन के ऊपर और जो केमिकल्स जो होते हैं ब्रेन में, जिस तरह से वो इफेक्ट करते हैं, द वे दे रिएक्ट,
Hmm.
सिमिलरली वो बच्चों के साथ बहुत इनिशियल एज में, आपको बताती हूँ, फॉर 2.5 years kids
Hmm.
started, you can say your child is consuming cocaine, and
Hmm.
we are so unaware about these things that we give up on it. कि अच्छा खाना खा रहा है, अच्छा खा नहीं रहा है, लो स्क्रीन दे देते हैं। और स्क्रीन से क्या होता
Right.
है, वो ना वो उसको खाना, उसको पता भी नहीं होता कि वो खाना क्या खा रहा है, उसके अंदर कितना जा रहा है, उसके बाहर कितना जा निकल रहा है। द चाइल्ड डजंट नो कि उसको जो सबसे ज्यादा हेट करता है जिस चीज को, वो भी खा गया, जस्ट बिकॉज ही इज गेटिंग स्क्रीन। सो
Right.
मेरे लिए ना स्क्रीन्स आर more dangerous than cocaine.
Wow.
टेक्नोलॉजी, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, देखो ना
Hmm.
मैं रह सकती हूँ ना आप रह सकते हो, nobody can stay without
Hmm.
technology, but we
Hmm.
need to understand that where to stop and where to
Right.
understand कि इसके सही यूजेस भी हैं।
Right.
वी कैन यूज इट इन अ राइट वे। जैसे हम मेडिकली अगर जाएं तो बहुत मेडिसिन में होते हैं ड्रग्स, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ड्रग्स आर देयर, सो इन मेडिसिन दे यूज इट इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव वे टू क्योर अ पर्सन।
Hmm.
तो टेक्नोलॉजी और स्क्रीन टाइम भी इसी तरह का है, आप उसको मिसयूज करोगे तो वो मिसयूज, आप आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा आप कब उसके अंदर ट्रैप हो जाओगे। एंड
Right.
इफ आई टॉक अबाउट पेरेंट्स, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट
Hmm.
स्पेसिफिकली मॉम्स एंड डैड्स, रात को आने के बाद अच्छा बच्चे पे लगा दिया, वो खुद, एंड देन दे कंप्लेन कि मेरा बच्चा ना पूरे टाइम स्क्रीन पे रहता है, या
Hmm.
दे नेवर एक्नॉलेज कि हाँ मैं भी था, हाँ मैं भी थी, दे ऑलवेज से हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं।
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
we all know
True.
how quickly we open Facebook, how quickly we open Instagram, and nowadays how quickly we open LinkedIn, and we just keep scrolling.
Scrolling.
And
Yeah.
recently, a mother came to me and she said, Anjali, help me because I am addicted to Instagram that I can't sleep.
Yeah.
मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर मैं रात को 2 बजे भी घर आ रही हूँ, तो मुझे अगर 10 मिनट भी स्क्रीन दिख जाएगी ना, तो मैं सो जाऊंगी। अगर नहीं दिखेगी ना, तो मुझे विड्रॉल्स आने लगेंगे। आई आई कीप रश, आई एम ऑलवेज इन रश, और आई शाउट, और आई आई कांट स्लीप। सो her mother is complaining, and similarly she was coming to me and saying कि मेरे बेटे को भी यही इशू आ रहा है।
It's
How
addiction.
it's addiction,
Yeah, they
but
are
on the
addicted.
contrary, there are better uses of it.
Hmm.
If I take my son's example, he's learning coding.
Hmm.
Okay, he's learning coding and he's creating games out of it.
Sure.
And he is using, अब से चश्मा लगा हुआ है, चश्मा लगना इज नॉट लाइक कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है। चश्मा
Hmm.
इसीलिए लगा हुआ है बिकॉज योर आईज नीड्स दैट सपोर्ट। किसी को हेरिडिटरी
Sure.
होता है, किसी को किसी भी रीजन से हो सकता है। मेरे बच्चों को, बड़े बेटे को लगा हुआ है, मेरे हस्बैंड को
Hmm.
लगा हुआ है,
Hmm.
एंड दे नो ईच एंड एवरी थिंग्स अबाउट द लैपटॉप, कैसे चलेगा, कहाँ लैग आ रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, बट दे
Hmm.
नो वेयर टू स्टॉप।
Hmm.
या
Right,
सॉरी।
right. So essentially, what you're saying is that they should know when to stop. Even, of course,
Yes.
everyone uses technology, but you should know where to stop.
And if I talk about 90% of the people are misusing it.
Right. True.
If I give you an example, one more example, there was a mother, उनका बेटा 5 साल का था, और वो अगर उनसे उससे बच्चे से फोन भी ले लेती है ना, तो बच्चे का हाथ ऐसे रहता है,
Okay.
बिकॉज ही इज addicted to see like this something.
Ah.
एंड द
Oh,
मोमेंट वो ये हो जाता है कि वो बोर हो रहा है या वो कुछ करना नहीं चाहता, तो वो फोन खींचने लग जाता है। और उसकी मदर से
yeah.
जितनी देर मैंने बात की है ना, वो बच्चा फोन लेके ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था बेड पे।
Hmm.
वो क्या देख रहा है उन्हें नहीं पता।
They don't know.
वो किस चीज से एक्सपोज हो रहा है उन्हें नहीं पता। दे जस्ट शी वाज जस्ट गिविंग मी, मैम मैं बिजी हूँ, खाना कौन बनाएगा। आई वाज
Right,
लाइक यू नीड हेल्प। डू यू
right.
मतलब ना, पीपल डोंट एक्सेप्ट मीता जी दैट आई नीड हेल्प, यू नो,
True.
हेल्प मी।
That's a big problem with people. That's true. But
या,
so, but so this is like one of the things that you know, guide them with on how to go about it,
यस, यस,
right?
यस,
And
यस,
this same thing even applies in intimacy, right? So when you come home from work and if you spend time with each other instead of looking at your phones or getting back to work on your laptop, then the child sees that and he is able to cultivate that in his life. While if you both are like on your mobiles, the child is on his mobile, so even though y'all are sitting together on the same table, y'all are not with each other. Y'all are
एग्जैक्टली,
not with each other. That intimacy is getting lost. There is no connection. Y'all are not having any concrete conversation, like any, meaningful conversation is not happening. The child is
एग्जैक्टली,
lost in his own world. And the parents can set an example here. So they can always encourage the child, that okay, you watch it for some time, and then when dinner is happening, then dinner is mobile free time. So
या,
like all the mobiles, all the laptops are kept away, rooms mein rakh ke aa jao, and then you have dinner together. So, the mom, the dad, they can talk about their day. They can ask the child, ki aaj school mein kya hua? How did it go? So those kind of conversations can happen instead of, just being stuck to the mobile. और इससे
यस,
पेरेंट्स जो करते हैं दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द चाइल्ड इज आल्सो सीइंग. तो अगर पेरेंट्स ये कॉन्शियस डिसीजन ले, या तो ये भी बच्चे को दिखाएं कि हाँ ठीक है, वी स्टे अवे, वी ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू यूटिलाइज टेक्नोलॉजी, इट इज अ गिवन, बट व्हेन द टाइम कम्स, वंस there are rules which are made, it is set कि हाँ कब stop करना है, like you mentioned that it's important to
या,
stop after a particular time. So when the child sees that, and then the child sees ki the parents are spending time with each other, like they are maybe hugging each other, or they are, just when they go into the bedroom, after dinner, they are like all three of them are, just chit chatting, spending some time together, maybe playing a game together, doing something like that जो हम हमारे साथ हुआ करता था जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे.
एग्जैक्टली,
So that thing can really work, I think. So the same principle applies to intimacy, that you need to know when to stop, and then all these things can be balanced out.
एग्जैक्टली, एब्सोल्युटली। इफ आई कैन ऐड समथिंग टू इट,
Sure.
दैट पेरेंट्स कम एंड दे से हमने ना रूल सेट कर दिया,
Hmm.
हमने ना ये कर दिया, और
Hmm.
बच्चा हमारी सुन नहीं रहा, बच्चा हमसे बात नहीं करना चाहता, वो टेबल पे
Hmm.
आता ही नहीं है, वो खाना नहीं खा रहा है, यू नो दे
Hmm.
मिस
Hmm.
ना। इट योर रिलेशनशिप वर्क्स लाइक अ लैडर। वो ना
Ladder.
सडनली फिफ्थ स्टेप पे जाना चाहते हैं, फिफ्थ उस फ्लोर पे जाना चाहते हैं, विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि मैंने फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर, फिफ्थ फोर्थ फ्लोर पे जितना भी ब्लंडर किया है ना, वो तो
Hmm.
नहीं हुआ
Hmm.
है। और दे डोंट सी कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है। वो सिर्फ
Yeah.
सरफेस पे रहते हैं, वो सिर्फ सिम्टम्स को
Right.
देखते रहते हैं, और उस पे उन्होंने रूल लगा दिया, तो बच्चे को ना और लगता है, टीनेजर्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, दे फील ओके एक और रूल
Hmm.
आ गया, ठीक है ये आ गया,
Right.
वी डोंट वांट टू सिट विद यू। So
Right.
parents, this is possible, this happens in all the families we work on, I work on personally, कि होता है ऐसे कि एक बास्केट
Hmm.
बनाई जाती है, उसमें फोन रखे जाते हैं। And I'll tell you a
Yeah.
very big thing, go out for a dinner, they take just one phone,
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
do not
Why not?
carry phone. But nowadays when
So
you
they
see
are
all the
together.
yeah, we are
They are
together,
together,
that's
so they
fine.
essentially don't need all the phones.
Exactly. And they
Yeah.
understand the importance of this relationship, that she's my mother, he's my father. Nowadays, children of 14 age, 13 years of age, they say, Are yaar, ye kab marenge? I have seen, I have heard those lines also. क्योंकि ना देयर वाज अ एडिक्ट, एक बच्चा था जिसको गेमिंग का बहुत एडिक्शन है। सो उसका कुछ टॉपअप होता है 2000 2300 समथिंग। सो उसने अपनी मॉम को बोला, उसकी मॉम ने उसको 2 बार पैसे दे दिए इन 1 मंथ, एंड शी सेड रूल वाज कि आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू फॉर 1 टाइम। एंड जब उसको सेकेंड टाइम दिया तो ही वॉज डिस्कसिंग विद हिज फ्रेंड, आई डोंट नो ये कब मरेंगी, तो आई गेट द लिबर्टी ऑफ टेकिंग आउट द मनी एंड प्लेइंग एज मच एज आई वांट।
Oh God, that's very sad. That's very sad.
एंड ही कन्फेस्ड द सेम थिंग कि हाँ
Yeah,
मैंने ऐसा बोला।
so kids are getting emotionally disconnected. That brings me to the next question that
हम्म
we have today. That what are some signs that a child might be feeling, stressed or emotionally withdrawn for emotional intimacy, to build that? And do
हम्म
you suggest any strategy to help parents, to support their kids with their emotional needs? Because this is clearly showing that there is an emotional gap जो आ जाता है. So what can they do for that? So as a parenting coach, what do you suggest?
So if I talk about gaps, they started treating their child कि मेरा बच्चा बीमार है। I'll start
Hmm.
with this, मेरा बच्चा बीमार है। बात करता था मैम पहले, he doesn't, but nowadays he doesn't want to talk to anybody, किसी सोशल जगह पे जाना नहीं चाहता है, and they very quickly they come with मेरे बच्चे को डिप्रेशन है, मेरे बच्चे को
Yeah,
एंजाइटी है, मेरा बच्चा कुछ और है। उनको इधर उधर से कुछ भी टर्म्स मिलती है एंड दे स्टार्ट फीडिंग दैट टर्म टू द चाइल्ड,
yeah,
एंड द चाइल्ड स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग यस दिस इज हैपनिंग विद मी,
yes.
एंड बिकॉज आई एम रिएक्टिंग दैट वे।
Hmm.
एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि हाँ पेरेंट्स उस चीज को बेटर कैसे करें, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट वी एक्चुअली वर्क विद पेरेंट्स ऑन स्टेप बाय स्टेप वर्क। क्योंकि वो जो आज आप मान लो आज 13 साल का बच्चा है, उसके पास
Hmm.
सडनली तो ये इमोशन उसके खत्म नहीं हुए होंगे ना। जब पैदा हुआ था तो इमोशनलेस तो नहीं हुआ था।
True.
देयर आर टर्म्स, ऑटिज्म है या किसी को और तरह की काफी सारी मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं,
Hmm.
एडीएचडी है, तो वो बच्चा उसके
ADHD.
साथ बच्चा पैदा हुआ है। यू
Right.
कैन क्योर दैट जब आपको उसका आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो जाता है। इमोशनल तो था ना, रोया था जब पैदा हुआ था, हंस रहा
Hmm.
था, खुश था, 2 साल का था, 4 साल का था, कई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई। 13 साल पे सडनली प्रॉब्लम आई, तो
Right.
वो भी तो एक बैगेज लेके चल रहा है ना।
True.
एंड और उस बैगेज को हम अगर ऐसे बोलेंगे ना कि अब किसी को बोलेंगे ना नहीं अभी भूल जाओ जो हुआ,
Hmm.
ना आप भूल सकती ना मैं भूल सकती, भूल तो कोई नहीं सकता। लेकिन इन चीजों से हम हाउ वी कैन ओवरकम दिस, हाउ वी कैन लीव द पास्ट इन पास्ट, हाउ वी कैन
Right.
स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग चाइल्ड। अब देखो अब जो हो गया वो हो गया, अब जहां प्रॉब्लम होनी थी हो गई। नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज उस प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करना, सिम्टम्स पे वर्क
Right.
नहीं करना, प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करना और प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना एज अ फैमिली।
Right.
That is important. And the main thing we talk about intentions,
Hmm.
कि इंटेंशन क्या है, पेरेंट
Hmm.
की इंटेंशन क्या है या बच्चे की इंटेंशन क्या है, या आजकल जैसे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी होते हैं फैमिलीज में, उनकी इंटेंशन क्या है बच्चे को लेके। वी टॉक अबाउट इंटेंशंस आल्सो, एंड द मोमेंट वी स्टार्ट यूजिंग दैट थेरेपी सर्कल विद देम, so the starting point would be start listening to your child.
Yeah. True. True.
I'll tell you this thing. A 4-year-old child coming to a mother and saying, Mama, 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 and the mom says, हटो हटो, अभी नहीं, बाद में बात करेंगे, बाद में बात करेंगे। वो 4 साल का बच्चा जब 14 साल तक यही करता है ना, तो चौदह
Right.
साल पे वो होता है साइकोलॉजी वे से मंकी कॉपीज अ मंकी। मतलब
That's true.
मम्मी हटो ना यार, आई नीड माई स्पेस,
Yeah.
लेट मी लॉक माई रूम, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक। और
Exactly.
जब इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इंटीमेसी जो आप मुझे बता रहे हो, उस बच्चे का after intimacy, if we talk about the physical intimacy later, I don't know how he's going to survive that, because
Hmm.
it got finished. Because in the initial years they need mother warmth or a father warmth or family
Yes.
warmth, family hugs. It's not there,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
we are finishing it. हम ही उसको धक्का मार
Yes.
मार के बार बार बता रहे हैं कि भाई मैं बिजी हूँ, तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा।
Hmm. Hmm.
और
Hmm.
जब वो वहां से आता है, बच्चे की तरफ से आता है, तो पेरेंट्स आके कहते हैं यार इसने तो हमारे मुंह पे दरवाजा बंद कर दिया, इसने तो हमें पुश कर दिया, इसने तो हमें सोशली किसी पार्टी के अंदर इसने तो हमें इग्नोर कर दिया,
राइट।
या हमारा बच्चा हमसे बात नहीं करना चाहता। हम सिर्फ सरफेस पे हैं, बोलते हैं ना, हम सिर्फ एक सरफेस पे हैं, हमें आइसबर्ग के नीचे पता ही नहीं है कि कितनी ज्यादा लेयर्स हैं। हम सिर्फ ऊपर
यस,
छोटा सा एक आइसबर्ग देख सकते हैं, एक छोटी सी फीलिंग्स देख सकते हैं, बस दैट रिएक्शंस। या
correct. So as what the child sees, that is the way the child starts reacting.
रिएक्टिंग,
After a certain
एग्जैक्टली।
age, जब वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, समझदार हो जाएगा, तो he or she will do the same thing. So this brings me to a very important point, which is communication. The whole thing which you said कि आप अपने बच्चे की सुनो, active listening, where you listen to what the child is saying. When the child comes to you, you first stop doing everything that you're doing and you listen, because at that point you never know what the child is trying to tell you. Maybe it is a problem, maybe it is something which is bothering him or her emotionally. Maybe it is some issue that they have faced school में, कहीं बाहर किसी दोस्त ने कुछ कर दिया, some inquisitiveness is there. So communication is extremely important. और जब
Exactly.
आप अपने बच्चे के साथ कम्युनिकेट करते हो उतना ओपनली, तो एज द चाइल्ड इज ग्रोइंग वो भी वही देखता है, एंड देन यू कम्युनिकेट विथ योर पार्टनर ऑल्सो द सेम वे. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि द फादर से समथिंग एल्स, द मदर से समथिंग
They'll
एल्स.
say something
तो
else.
आप दोनों में भी एक क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन होना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन द चाइल्ड सीज कि हाँ, हम कोई भी इशू जब आता है, वी कैन सिट डाउन एंड वी कैन टॉक इट आउट,
Talk about.
then that becomes the norm of that family. And that is a stepping stone. That is a good way to keep moving forward. But that is something which the parents have to cultivate. Ki they start first communicating with themselves also, amongst themselves, and then with the child as well. And
Exactly.
when that communication is happening, then there is a connection, so automatically there is an emotional intimacy which is there, because
Yes.
the child knows that I can talk to my parents anytime. मैं कितना भी
For
बड़ा हो
anything.
जाऊं, for anything, for any problem, for any issue, मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ. So that emotional need is met. और
Yes.
वो पेरेंट्स ही कर सकते हैं, ओनली पेरेंट्स कैन डू दैट. सो देन वो एक इमोशनल नीड जब मीट होती है, then the child will also trust you, depend on you, and that is how the whole family bonding comes together. Otherwise the child starts separating themselves from from the parents, and then the parents also feel my child is ignoring me, not listening to me. So that is what happens, because actually there is no communication. आपने बच्चे को बोल दिया I'm working, go sit there, I'll talk to you, and then that never happens. You don't end up actually
Exactly.
talking to the child. आप अपने काम में इतने busy हो. But that is where they need to draw a balance, and that communication and listening, both the points are extremely important in this case.
Exactly. And nowadays children are very open to, or they are very how you call it, exposed to sexual
They're
acts
exposed.
also. बच्चे सेक्सुअली अब्यूज हो जाते हैं, घर आते हैं, पेरेंट्स बात नहीं करते, बात करते हैं तो उनको चुप करा देते हैं, और वो उनके साथ रिपीटेडली होता रहता है.
होता रहता
And
है.
I am just talking about 3 years, 4 years, 10 years kids, which is happening. Which is
True,
happening.
happening.
And
It's
जब हम बच्चों से बैठ के बात करते हैं, and the child says, मेरी मम्मी ने ना मेरी बात नहीं सुनी थी,
happening.
मैं किसके पास जाऊं? और हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं, go to the safest person for that child. The safest person is the mother or a father,
Yeah, is the parent.
is the parent.
Yeah.
I always say आपको सिर्फ 15 मिनट चाहिए. ठीक है, आप जब अपने बच्चे के साथ वो कनेक्ट बना लोगे ना, तो वो कम्युनिकेशन आपका बच्चा ना ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड कहीं भी हो,
That
you will build
correct.
trust. You will build a trust. There'll be a, जैसे पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं, अरे यार, जैसे बच्चे बोल देते हैं कि हम लोग बाहर चले जाएंगे आफ्टर 12th, वी विल बी फ्री. द पेरेंट्स आर लाइक, ओके, अब मैं उस पर नजर कैसे रखूं? वो अलग एंजाइटी में चले जाते हैं पेरेंट्स. In psychology we use this term empty nest. उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है करने के लिए, अब वो ये सोचते हैं कि उस पे नजर कैसे रख, मैं तो नजर ही रख रही थी, या तो मैं तो नजर ही रख रहा, ट्रैकर एंड ऑल, दे कीप डूइंग दैट,
Yeah,
दे
yeah,
डोंट
yeah.
हैव दैट, एंड नाउ फिर वो इस एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं उनमें चले जाते हैं, सेइंग कि यार मेरे बच्चे ने कुछ गलत कर दिया तो, मेरे बच्चे के साथ कुछ गलत हो गया तो क्या
Hmm.
होगा, मैं तो
Right.
नहीं हूं ना वहां पे बचाने के लिए. सो वी हैव टू बिल्ड अ कनेक्शन, देन हैव अ कम्युनिकेशन.
Hmm.
दीज
Hmm.
आर द वेरी वेरी मेजर थिंग. जो आप बोलोगे ना, आप हम लोग जैसे ना, आज आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू वन पर्सन, आई विल, शी इज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, ओके, एंड शी सेड यार घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. मेरे बच्चे के साथ ना, मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए ये चाहती हूँ, ये चाहती हूँ, ये चाहती हूँ, ये चाहती हूँ, ये चाहती हूँ. मैंने उसको क्लियर बोल रखा है. जब हमने 3 घंटे की, मीता जी, वी हैड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन, दैट टाइम वी रियलाइज्ड उसने उसको ये बोल रखा है कि वो ये उसके लिए चाहती है. बच्चा क्या चाहता है वो उसको पता ही नहीं.
She doesn't know. Though she herself is a psychologist, she doesn't know what the child wants. Yeah,
एग्जैक्टली.
see, we are burdening the child with so many things,
आर
right?
एक्सपेक्टेशंस, आर ड्रीम्स, कुछ लोगों की चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम्स होती हैं. और
Hmm.
पेरेंटिंग सीखना इसीलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, ताकि हमें पता चले कि ये जो गैप है ना, ये भरना कैसे है. हम उसमें ना वही बात है, कचरा डाल डाल के उस गैप को बड़ा कर देते हैं, और हमें लगता है हम
Hmm.
उस गैप को भर रहे हैं. बट अगेन इट्स अ साइंस. आप किसी भी साइकोलॉजी में किसी भी चीज के अंदर चले जाइए, चाइल्ड काउंसलिंग में चले जाइए, थेरेपी में चले जाइए, इट्स ऑल बेस्ड ऑन साइंस. इट जस्ट लाइक वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट वी वांट हेल्प,
Yeah,
यू नो, rather
that's
than running from it. Yeah.
important. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Right. So the next question is, these societal, cultural expectations are too much, right, these days, and even
Hmm.
kids feel the pressure of that, and parents equally are putting that pressure on their child, right? So, do you want to share just any like couple of tips which which parents can do, I mean things that parents can do which can
Hmm.
help their kid to manage these pressures so that they don't lose their identity or their confidence.
आपने जैसे अभी वर्ड यूज किया ना, कंपैरिजन, यू नो, इतना डीप वर्ड है ना ये.
Yeah.
और आई थिंक आज तक मैं जितने पेरेंट्स से मिली होंगी, आई मेट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पेरेंट्स, कंपैरिजन जब आ जाता है ना वर्ड, तो वो हिल जाते हैं उसकी रियलिटी देख के. हमें ये
Right.
लगता है कि पेरेंट्स कम एंड से, नहीं नहीं मैम, मैंने ना कंपैरिजन नहीं किया, मैंने तो बताया है कि उसके ज्यादा मार्क्स आए हैं.
Hmm.
आपने जो बताया है, बच्चे को क्या सुना है वो हमें नहीं पता.
Hmm.
और वो हमें कहाँ से पता चलेगा? बच्चे से पूछ के. और
Hmm.
जब हम बच्चों से बात करते हैं तो दे से कि मेरे को सिर्फ कंपेयर किया गया है लाइफ में.
Right. Hmm.
I, if I talk about my own mother, she said, I've always been compared and I never liked it. She is 58 years old. So यार, अभी अगर हम ये देखें, ये तो मतलब महाभारत के टाइम से चल रहा है, मतलब कब से
It's
आ
it's
रहा
an age-old problem.
है
It's
ना?
an
It's a
age-old
age old
problem.
problem, and we just take it, okay, it's a comparison. But we
Hmm.
don't know the depth of it, how the problem, the major mental problem start with these things. And
Right.
the first step I would say, comparison का ना, parents को, to all the parents, no matter what, no matter what, never, by intentionally or unintentionally, never, ये तो करना ही नहीं है. कंपेयर अपने माइंड में भी नहीं. देखो ये ना, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, बिकॉज वी आर यूज टू इट. हमारे लिए जैसे सांस लेना है, जैसे खाना खाना है ना, कंपैरिजन वैसे ही आ जाता है, नेचुरली आ जाता है
True.
कि मम्मी आपने उस टाइम तो बड़ा अच्छा खाना बनाया था, आज आपने ऐसा बना दिया, तो मेरे ही खाने में कंपैरिजन आ गया. यू नो,
Hmm. Hmm.
इट कम्स नेचुरली टू यू. अपने
Yeah.
आप को ना अवेयर करना उस चीज के लिए. So
Hmm.
what we do in our house, we have a no comparison zone. My house is a no comparison zone. We don't compare
Hmm.
each other. And
Yeah.
by so we have printouts posted around the house. Again, it's completely a science based. Okay,
Yeah.
that how we inculcate it. क्योंकि
Yeah.
बच्चे एकदम से नहीं समझेंगे, ये क्या बोल रहे हो आज, ये कहाँ से आ गया आपके
Yeah.
माइंड
Yeah.
में,
Yeah. Yeah.
मैं तो ऐसा नहीं
Yeah.
सोच रही थी. But how,
Absolutely agree.
with the practice of almost 3 years, Now my children says, "Mummy, you're comparing."
Mm.
Being a coach or being a child counselor, I also make hundreds of mistakes every day.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
I learn from them. So मुझे एकदम से आ जाता है, yeah. It's a comparison. And
True.
when they show me their side of a story, and I just tell them, I was doing this. Is this a comparison? And they explain, yes, it is. And how it is, they explain it to me most of the time because I push them. Okay, tell me how it is. एंड दे
Yeah.
अंडरस्टैंड एंड उससे होता क्या है मीता जी, आज घर के अंदर अगर वो माहौल है ना, तो उनको बाहर जाके ना कोई भी कितना भी कंपेयर करे, क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास या किसी भी पेरेंट के पास, टू ऑल ऑल द पेरेंट्स, घर का कंट्रोल होगा,
Yeah.
चाहे वो हुक होगा चाहे बाय क्रुक होगा, लेकिन
Hmm.
जब बच्चा स्कूल जाएगा, कॉलेज जाएगा, स्पोर्ट्स के लिए जाएगा, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज के लिए जाएगा, सब जगह होता है, टीचर ही बोल देती है अपने साथ वाले से सीख लो।
Teachers are very used to comparing. Because they are dealing with so many kids, so they are always comparing.
एग्जैक्टली, टू सिबलिंग्स
Hmm.
स्टडिंग इन द सेम स्कूल, प्रिंसिपल बोल देती है, यार तुम्हारा भाई तो बड़ा अच्छा करता है, तुम्हारा भाई तो अच्छा बहुत भागता है, तुम्हें तो आता नहीं है, तुम तो अभी
Hmm.
भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. सो
Yeah.
देयर वी कैन हैंडल दो सोसाइटी प्रेशर्स by understanding that this person is doing comparison
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
this can't affect me because
Hmm.
I know what it is. I know how dangerous the comparison is for me.
Hmm.
पेरेंट्स
Hmm.
उनको समझाते हैं या घर में उसको पता है, यार मेरे मॉम डैड नहीं करते, यू नो
Hmm.
आई हैव दैट
Hmm.
स्पेस इन द हाउस, तो वो अपने लिए क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. वो बोल देते हैं किड्स माय, जैसे से अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स हुज बीन ग्रेजुएटेड विद अस, हुज बीन ट्रेनिंग अंडर अस, वो अपने है ना आसपास वो बबल रखते हैं बच्चे कि
Hmm.
दे आर अवेयर ये हो रहा है. सो माय वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टिप कि स्टार्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग फॉर योरसेल्फ कि
Yeah.
कंपैरिजन कहाँ हो रहा है
Hmm. Hmm.
एंड स्टॉप इट राइट देयर, छोड़ दो वहीं के वहीं.
Correct. Correct. And that comparison also happens between parents, when they are comparing their lives to other couples or what they are
Exactly.
seeing on social media. And that also has a major impact on their values. Also, sometimes parents tend to differ, right? In their way of handling things. Maybe, the mother will say, nahi, aise karna, and the father will say, no, no, this is the right way to do it. And if that alignment is not there, then the kid notices that also. So that
Very
is also
quickly.
extremely important that, they have to align themselves. And when it comes to these things like comparison, then parents should have boundaries. Like you've said that, you've put up different maybe things which talk about, like a one liner or whatever. It's put up, it works like a reminder. Of course it is a
Yes,
scientific thing
yes.
because you are constantly seeing it. आते जाते 100 बार वो आपकी नजरों के सामने पड़ता है. So when you
Yeah.
keep seeing it, it is seeping deeper into your subconscious.
Yes.
So that is what then comes out. And when they are constantly comparing, so it affects that relationship. So if they
Yes.
learn how to, draw boundaries, and they teach the child also that, so when they go to the school also, even when a friend is comparing, they will know that this is not supposed to impact me. The emotional bond between the parents and the child will not get affected because there is a boundary, there is clarity of thought, there is this thing which you have, inculcated in the house, that there will be no comparison. You learn from them, they learn from you. And that is how homes are supposed to be, where a child can have an honest conversation with their parent and even correct them when they go wrong.
Exactly.
So that is
Exactly.
something
And
which parents today need to accept, because it they immediately take it on their ego. They will immediately
exactly.
say, "Oh, who the hell are you to correct me?" But it's not like
Exactly.
that. Even our parents learned some things from us, and of course, we are always learning from our parents. And the same
Yeah.
applies to all generations.
Yes. And the word you use in between, inculcate. So nowadays, na parents, it sounds a lot like a blame on them, but parents
Mm,
की भी गलती नहीं है. It's not their fault. They pressurize it. They put it, ये rule है, follow it.
mm,
And done. Rather than, as you said, align everybody, align your mother, align your partner, husband, wife. And nowadays same sex parents are also there, which
Yeah,
I
true.
talk to, they align themselves. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अगर बच्चे को कुछ चीज चाहिए या उसके कुछ जिद है तो एक पेरेंट के पास गया तो नहीं, ये अच्छी मम्मी नहीं है, मैं पापा के पास चला जाऊंगा, एंड वो मिल भी
True,
जाती है उसको.
true, true,
So
true.
we need to
We need
the
to
be
balance that out.
we need to balance, we need to align it properly, and
Correct,
we have to work like a team, work like a family. Nobody can shake us, and
correct,
that's how we go about it. Yeah.
correct,
Yes.
correct. Right. So, one thing which comes to my mind as we talk about these things is that even parents know they struggle with prioritizing their own self care, right? They are not, so when they get stuck with technology, when they are constantly on their laptop, when they are not
Hmm.
spending quality time with their partner, with their child, when they are not taking care of their health, essentially that is what the child is also seeing, right? And so the child also doesn't learn and doesn't understand that self care is very important for me. So are there any simple self care ideas that you can suggest to busy parents which can help them?
As I told you, monkey copies monkey. So that's the biggest psychology term we use. And you know taking care of yourself is very important so that your child can learn. हम ना बहुत इन्फेंट से टॉडलर्स से ही ये चीज़ें पेरेंट्स के अंदर बताते हैं कि हाउ यू डेवलप. अ चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू स्कूल. ओके, सो अ पेरेंट कम्स इन से ये ढंग से ब्रश नहीं करता है मैम.
Hmm.
इट्स नॉट अ टीचर्स जॉब, it's
Yeah.
your job. He's not going to the school and brush his teeth or take a bath. You
Hmm.
know, there we start breaking the child trust.
Hmm.
If I talk about that, okay? हम
Hmm.
उसको ये बोलने लग जाते हैं that I don't trust you or you don't listen to me. And it automatically comes to the child, yes, I don't listen to you. You are saying the same thing to me. And when there's a trust break, the child stop actually looking you as a person to get an inspiration from.
Hmm.
कनेक्शन गया, कम्युनिकेशन गया, ट्रस्ट गया, सारे पिलर्स आपके हिल गए.
Hmm.
नहाते नहीं है, सर्दियों में 10-10 दिन नहीं नहा रहे हैं, उनसे पूछो
Yeah.
क्यों नहीं नहा रहे हैं. Okay, I
Yeah.
can understand teenagers have, that body issues, they are changing, and their organs and everything, their pubertal, they are getting the growth, and they have their own issues. So there are very different ways to handle the parenting with a teenager, and a very different parenting to handle the, toddlers or, early.
As kids are growing up, you have to keep evolving. Yeah.
Yeah. So the only tip is, again, I will say, start connecting with your child, start communicating to your child rather than pushing the child every day. Okay, brush your teeth. Okay, wash your hair. Okay, take a bath. Show them. Okay, tell
Hmm.
them why I am doing it. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
मैंने अगर I brush my teeth, तो what benefits I get from it?
Hmm.
What are the consequences of not brushing the teeth, rather
Hmm.
than giving them gyan all the time. ये नहीं
Hmm.
करते हो, ये नहीं करते हो. Start
Hmm.
going with the science. मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, take your phone, open a Google and start searching. बच्चे को ही बोलो ना, let's just see. If you are
Hmm.
not washing your hair, तो क्या आएगा? Let's see. चलो
Hmm.
Google पे देख लेते हैं. है ना? Very
Hmm.
quick tip I would like to give to all of you. देख लेते हैं क्या है. क्योंकि मम्मी ने भी ना अगर हेड वॉश नहीं किया तो मम्मी स्टार्टेड फीलिंग इची. सो व्हाट
Hmm.
हैपेंस, डर्मेटोलॉजिकल इश्यूज आ जाते हैं आपको, स्किन इन्फेक्शंस होने लग जाते हैं, यू स्टार्ट
Hmm.
गेटिंग पिंपल्स, फेस, देयर आर सो मेनी एंडलेस स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग. सो
Right.
गूगल हमारे पास एक इतनी अच्छी, वी हैव दिस comfort with us कि just in one click we know. And secondly, parents have that hold on the technology कि वो जो चीज खोलें उसमें actually knowledge हो.
Yeah.
You can read and they can discuss with the children. अच्छा ये हो सकता
Yeah.
है, अच्छा ये हो सकता है. Rather than telling them all the time, अरे do this, do this, do this. They don't do. They will
Hmm.
not do.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
If I take my own example, Meeta ji, if somebody pressurize me for something, ना I will like, अब तू करवा के दिखा. I will
True.
not do.
True. True. True.
Rather than giving me my what I am getting out of it. You know,
Hmm.
what are my benefits out of it? How I
Hmm.
can grow healthy with this.
Hmm. Hmm.
This is how we create, how we open that window of communication with the kids, trust
Yeah.
with the kids, that
Yeah.
whatever I'm saying are there on the Google, or people are talking about it. This is important for you. वो अपने आप ही समझ जाएगा बच्चा कि ये मेरे लिए जरूरी है.
Hmm.
Follow-ups. Abhi, recently my son came and said, the younger one said, "Ma'am told me to brush my teeth twice a day." I said, "Why?" He said, "Because my teacher said." He followed it for 2 days.
Hmm.
I said, "Okay, if she told you, do it. Go and do it."
Hmm.
He went. He was doing it. But now when there is no why, वो 2 दिन में
Hmm.
vanish हो गया.
Yeah,
So
true.
there is second thing is create your why.
Hmm.
First create your why to all the parents, and then help your child to create the child's why.
Yeah.
क्यों ब्रश करना है, क्यों फेस वॉश करना है, क्यों क्रीम लगानी है, क्यों कोम्बिंग करनी है, क्यों अपना हाइजीन रखना है. वाई वाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वो वाई ही हम भूल जाते हैं उस
Yeah.
प्रेशर के बीच में. या सो दिस वाई, क्रिएटिंग दिस वाई, दिस गूगल विल हेल्प यू. वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू, but
Hmm.
create that for yourself. It is very, very important. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Right. So they need to actually follow, some self-care practices and explain to the child why they are important. And they can share
Yes.
it, with practical tips, explain it to the child in an interesting manner. And also, what will have an impact, I think, is, when they have these conversations. Again, it comes back to the same thing, that
Hmm.
talking to their child and communicating to the child why this is important. And what will happen is that if the parents do not follow that self care routine, or they don't take out some time for themselves, then they
Exactly.
become more stressed, they get more agitated, because they are not spending some quality time to to cool down, to calm down, to de-stress. So then they
Yeah.
get more frustrated, then they remove that frustration either on uh, the spouse removes that frustration on the other partner, or it gets out on the children, and then the relationship
Yes.
again goes through the strain. In essence, if they work on this, and if they like if they could designate 10 minutes every day, that okay, 10 minutes every day, now once we finished our dinner, we've done our thing, okay, now for 10 minutes let's do our self-care regime. They could build a
Yes.
regime like that, or they could
Yes.
have, okay, now we're all going to go brush our teeth, we're all going to
Yes.
first gargle, we're all going to maybe maybe splash some water on our face. Why that's important? Even these basic things are very, very crucial and very
Yeah.
important.
The moment when you create a why for the child ना, अगर
Yeah.
आपको आपके सेल्फ टाइम के लिए सेल्फ केयर के लिए टाइम नहीं मिल रहा ना, the child will come and say why you are not taking care of yourself.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
happening with you? Because we have created a why for the child. The same why is for the mother or the father or any family member. Once
Hmm.
the child know the why, they come, and you will feel, rather, there are other emotions, another intimacies which can create ki, okay, my child has
Yeah.
come to ask me.
Yeah, then that
You
builds a very positive connection,
positive
like you
connection.
feel good. Okay, I didn't go and brush. So my child
Yeah.
has come and said that, chalo, let's go brush. Come on, before you, get busy on the laptop, or, you start
Yeah.
doing something that you have to do. So that connection,
Exactly.
again,
Connection.
that emotional need is met. And it just, again, there's a ripple effect where it feels so good, talking to each
Yeah.
other. There's positivity, and it also makes the whole family very resilient, so they will be able to face any storms that come, because that bonding between each other is there, between the child, between the couple, together, and that
Yeah.
can really make a whole lot of difference.
Exactly. Absolutely bang on. Yes. Perfect.
Right. Okay, so
Yeah.
as we come to the end of our conversation, what is one tip that you would like to leave our parents with, to improve their connection with the kids? Give us one master tip which you think they can quickly apply in their lives so that they find this session useful.
For all the parents around the globe, start telling your child that what you are feeling for the child. You know,
Mm.
Hamna, in this hustle bustle, we miss the love. We
Yeah.
take the comparisons, we take a lot of stress, we anxieties and rush competitions. हम सब भूल जाते हैं and very rarely we go and say, honey, I love you and you're
Mm.
everything to me.
Mm. Mm.
Take a minute. I will not even say 15 minute. Take that 1 minute out of your 24 hours. Go hug your child and say, I
Yes.
love you.
Yes. Yes.
And that moment, I don't need a phone, I don't need anybody, I don't need a laptop. I'm free. Just take a minute and take all the tensions out of your mind. Office kiye, ghar kiye, just take everything out.
Hmm.
Go and
Hmm.
hug your.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
नहीं तो ना उसको बस जाके आई लव यू बोल दो.
Exactly.
और ये
Exactly.
रोज कर लो. रोज कर लो मतलब सांस लेते हो ना, just like breathing. And everyone who's listening right now, please go call your child and say I love you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just say I love you, who
Yeah.
wherever in the world they are. Just say I
Yeah.
love you.
This is something which I will reiterate and urge all the people listening to do this, because I'm a firm believer of love and I think love can
Yeah,
solve anything. So, the first thing that you need to work in your family is to keep that love alive between first you and your partner, because when that love is there and the child sees it, we need to normalize hugging, we need to normalize maybe a little bit of cuddling, playing with each other. A child needs to see that my parents love each other, they spend time with each other, they respect each other. And only when they see all these qualities, that is when the bond will be so beautiful, and love can really solve most problems. Sometimes what a child needs is only a hug. The child just wants that, and you need to do that 10 times in a day. So, like Anjuri said, Rose bolo, I would say din mein 10 bar bolo. Even when your child is going to school, say I love you. Don't wait that I'll do it tomorrow. I would like
exactly.
to really say that reinforce this in your family, because a family which loves each other, they will always stay together. There will be more resilience in the family. They'll be able to, fight any storms that come. Kuch bhi ho jaye, that bonding will be so powerful and so strong.
Exactly.
And that intimacy is something which we need to normalize in our families. We need to show our kids what love is, what touching each other means, what a hug is. We need to normalize these things between the kids and educate them so that they become better individuals growing up.
There is a myth, parents follow कि लड़के ना थोड़े बड़े होते हैं ना, तो वो
Hmm.
अपने आप को वो करने लगते हैं, नहीं, I don't want hugs, girls are more cuddly. Parents, for
I
all
disagree.
of you,
I
it's a
disagree.
myth. Yes, it's a
It is
myth.
a myth.
It is a
Men,
myth.
even boys equally need that love. You need to give
Exactly.
your boys also the same love. It's not only the girls, the boys also need that same love. And not only the boys or girls, any gender today, I mean, there is so much happening in the world that even if your child is different, they still need that same love. A hug is just a hug for any
Hug.
child. It doesn't depend on gender, it doesn't depend on sex, it doesn't depend on anything. Love is just
Absolutely.
love. So
Just
please
love.
give love, share love, live your life with love, because that is exactly what will matter in the long run.
Absolutely.
So I would
Thank
like
you.
to
Yeah,
leave our viewers with this beautiful message, which we both, I think, agree to, that love is what
absolutely.
is very important, and we need to show love to our kids. We need to love each other, and that itself can be a beautiful thing to follow lifelong.
And thank you so much for inviting me and enlightening me for, this side of parenting. It's very, very, it's a beautiful feeling. I'm feeling like, already empowered and already already loved. I'm just going to hug them. Just love them
Yes.
right
So
away.
as soon as you guys see this episode, go and immediately,
And
please love someone,
yes,
hug someone that you love,
someone.
and show that
Exactly.
love to that person. So
Yes.
I will share the details of Anjuri on the chat where you can connect with her if at all you have a child or if you are struggling with anything. You can connect with Anjuri and you can connect with me if there's any intimacy issues, any knowledge that you need about sex education, anything that you want your child to talk about, these things, puberty, growing up, all these things, and that is what I cover. So we are both here, and we'll come back again maybe another time and talk about some other topic related to children. But please keep
Absolutely.
loving your children, and that's one thing which will always work. Any
Thank you.
last
Thank you.
words?
I just want to thank all of you. Thank you for inviting me, and I loved it. So thank you,
Yes,
Mitaji. Thank you so much.
yes. So thanks
Absolutely.
again, once again.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was lovely having you, and we shall do this again maybe sometime soon. So
Absolutely.
take care and
Absolutely.
keep doing
Thank
the good
you.
work that you're doing with parents and teens. Much required.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you.
Yes. So that was Anjuri with us, and I hope that you guys found some value in this episode. We've shared very simple things, issues which are going on in today's world, which parents struggle with, children struggle with. And if you can incorporate the things that we spoke about, I think it will always be very helpful to you. And one more important thing, which Anjuri also mentioned, is something that I would like to again say, that reach out for help. If you don't know how to talk to your child, if you are struggling with something, before the matter goes out of your hands, it becomes too difficult. Start early, start learning. Parenting is something that I think every parent needs to learn, because no one taught us, no one told us all these things growing up. And we keep evolving, we keep learning, and that is the only way to go. So thank you for joining us, and do share your comments on what you felt about this, and please spread this video as much as possible with to parents, to teenagers who want to understand these things, and it just might be helpful. It just might be the thing that that person needs at this time. So thank you once again, and I shall see you again next week.